नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name MA third same. Subject name Curriculum Development and Comparative Education. Session name Primary Education in UK, United Kingdom country. University name Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Today discussing session curriculum development primary education in United Kingdom content. There are four regions are included in United Kingdom, and education status, education overall, formation of education are explained in this video. And basically, United Kingdom primary education set in discussing today. Education in the United Kingdom, a developed matter with each of the countries of the United Kingdom having separate systems under separate governments. The UK government is responsible for England, whilst the Scottish government, the Wales government, and the Northern Ireland executive are responsible for Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland respectively. For details of education on each regions. Education in England, education in Northern Ireland, education in Scotland, education in Wales. Education in England is overseen by the United Kingdom's Department for Education. Local government authorities are responsible for implementing policy for public education and state-funded schools at a local level. England also has a tradition of independent schools. Some of which call themselves public schools and home tuition. Legally, parents may choose to educate their children by any permitted means. State-funded schools may be selective grammar schools or non-selective comprehensive schools. Non-selective schools in countries that have grammar schools may be called by other names such as high schools. Comprehensive schools are further subdivided by funding into free schools, other academics, and remaining local authorities, schools, and others. More freedom is given to free schools, including most religious schools and other academics in terms of curriculum. All are subject to assessment and inspection by Ofsted, the Office for Standard in Education, Children's Services and Skills. The school year in England and Wales. In some region of England, learners attend a lower primary schools before going to a middle school between 8 and 12, or more commonly 9 and 13, and then a high school or upper school. England is a country where you can study at a desired level, given its excellent educational and cultural facilities. The learners start their education when they reach the age of 5 and finish at the age of 16 or 17. Reception nursery, kindergarten, or FS2 foundation second year in the first year of primary school in England. and wells. Every primary school will be awarded at least F3 500 fee per learner per year, regardless of their location, the size of the school, or any other factors. Primary education is typically the first stage of formal education, coming after preschool and before secondary school. Primary school takes place in primary school. The elementary school or first and middle school depending on their location. This is ISCED level. Primary school, primary education or first stage of basic education. The international standard classification of education. Considered primary education as a single phase where programmers are typically designed to provide fundamental skills in regarding and reading, writing, and mathematics, and to establish a solid foundation for learning. This is ISCED level, International Standard Classification of Education. Primary education or first stage of basic education. The ISCED definition in 1997 posited that primary education normally standard between the ages of 5 to 8 and was designed to give a sound basic education in reading, writing, and mathematics, along with an elementary understanding of other subjects. By 2011, the philosophy has changed. The elementary understandings of other subjects has been dropped in favor of to establish a solid foundation for learning. The United Nations Children's Fund believes that providing children with primary education has many positive effects. It decreases poverty, decreases child mortality rates, encouraging gender equality, increasing environmental understanding. Jean Piaget was responsible for establishing the framework that describes the intellectual, moral, and emotional development of children. He received a doctorate in 1918 and did postdoctoral research in Zurich and Paris. His thoughts developed in 4 phases. The sociological model of development where children moved from a position of egocentrism and sociocentrism. He noticed there was a gradual progression from intuitive to scientific and then socially acceptable responses. The biological model of intellectual development, this could be regarded as an extension of the biological process of the adaptation of the species, showing two ongoing processes, assimilation and accommodation. The elaboration of the logical model of intellectual development, where he argued that intelligence develops in a series of stages that are related to age and are progressive because one stage must be accomplished before the next can occur. For each stage of development, the child forms an age-related view of reality. The study of figurative thought. This included memory and perception. Piaget's theory is based upon biological maturation and stages. The notion of readiness is important. Information or concepts should be taught when the students have reached the appropriate stage of cognitive development and not before. Using the framework, the child stages development can be examined. Lev-Vygotsky theory is based on social learning, where a more knowledgeable other helps them progress within their zone of proximal development. Within the JPD, there are skills that the child potentially could do but needs to be shown so they can move from yearning to independent proficiency. This session is powered by digital version 2.0. If any question, query, write in comment box. We'll solve your query. Thanks.